Hi everyone. The cost of insurance has been crippling businesses, community groups and individuals for too long. It's a matter I raised numerous times in opposition and was determined to see action taken once we got into government. An action plan has been put in place by the government looking to tackle this issue right across every department. As the Minister stated at the Department of Justice, I'm delighted to see the new Judicial Council, which was established, issue new guidelines that will dramatically reduce the amount of awards that are given in personal injury claims. But we need to see these reductions reflected in insurance companies giving reduced premiums to people who are looking for insurance cover, so that consumers are adequately protected, that the premiums are affordable and fair, and that exaggerated claims are stopped and those who make those exaggerations are tackled within our courts. I am determined to see the action plan implemented. I am determined to see further reforms brought in, and that is done as soon as possible. Thank you.